This is underwater tug of war and only 6 people are winning. Go!
Welcome back to another episode of Dream World Game. We are at the Dream World Resort Fun Lagoon और हमारे साथ हैं 12 members.
That was quick. It's really about strength and technique.
वो 6 players जो इस गेम में जीतेंगे are going to be competing in 3 more games on Dream World's different facilities. Winner को मिलेगा complimentary luxury room stay plus breakfast.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Ah, damn, it's the guy in the front. He's pretty strong.
उसके अलावा all of our members will be getting 20,000 rupees plus in cash vouchers.
This looks like a one-sided win, man. Congratulations on becoming the top 6. You guys will be playing the next game to compete for the chalet, and the ones that got eliminated will be getting a cash voucher. Congratulations. Yay! Our next game is Go-Kart, and we will be playing it with teams of 2. The rules are pretty simple, but coordination is key. So this is how it's gonna work. लेकिन आपकी टीम में से एक member starting point से mid point तक कार्ट को लाएगा, और फिर जो दूसरा member था वो on foot भाग कर mid point तक आएगा. Mid point तक जब वो आएगा तो फिर आप कार्ट में बैठेंगे, and then you will drag the cart or race it all the way to the finish line. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. ये लिटरली स्ट्रैटेजी की बात है. यू हैव टू हैव अ टेक्निक. कहाँ पे ब्रेक लगानी है, कहाँ पे नहीं लगानी है, टाइम का भी देखना है. इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेटेजिक बट इट्स वेरी फन. सो देयर इज दैट. ओके ओके, ही सीम्स डिटरमिन्ड. लेट्स गो. ओके, मिड पॉइंट पे आने वाला है. मिड पॉइंट पे स्टॉप 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 स्टॉप. ओके, उसका पार्टनर अब भाग रहा है. हिज पार्टनर इज रनिंग. Well, that is kind of funny. Now it's picking up speed. Oh, he's going well. As you can see, there are after effects as well. Remember, अगर ये player go-kart को finish line पर ले भी आते हैं, this team's timer doesn't end जब तक दूसरे player भी भागकर finish line तक ना आ जाएं. Nice performance by Team A. That was pretty cool. Now it's Team B. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's see how the competition goes. पहली वाली टीम ने काफी अच्छा performance दिया था, especially with the running. They both. Let's see how they go. Okay, बड़ा अच्छा कट मारा है, बड़ा अच्छा कट मारा है. Oh, this guy knows what he's doing. Okay, we're almost at the midpoint. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, his partner is running as we speak. The partner is almost here. And he's arrived. Let's go. Okay. And the midpoint has begun. Now all he has to do is get to the final mark. Yes, the finish line. And then his partner will join him. Almost at the finish line. Wait for it. Go! Oh, he's a fast dude. That's a fast dude right there. He's got a good technique with his arms behind. Wins a win. Good performance by team number B. And the third team is about to race. 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. It's a kickoff. Let's go. Slow and steady wins the race, or dash and wildly wins the race. Depends on the technique. अभी तक second team ने जो performance दी है वो काफी अच्छी थी. First वाली की भी बहुत अच्छी थी. बहुत अच्छा कट मारा. I think we have a new winner probably. Don't wanna cross, don't wanna predict. But let's see, let's see. Good performance, let's go. They have to keep their head in the game. It's all about the technique. It's about where you cut and how you cut. Pause, 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 pause. Midpoint, midpoint. Go. He's running for his life. That's the thing about sprinting. मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि sprinting में ये गेम होता है पूरा कि आप speed maintain कैसे कर रहे हो. Alright, let's go. He's reached, and the partner is going to take it from the midpoint to the final point. Go. He's about to reach the final point. Go. Okay. Even though they're showing great heart, they're showing good effort और अपनी तरफ से 100% दे रहे हैं, and that's the spirit of a game, that you keep going forward. How do you keep going forward? That's on you as the player. Come on, push! And we're done. That is the third round. Let's see who got eliminated and who's moving on to the next game. Congratulations on becoming the top 4. ये हैं हमारे winners और ये है इनके time. They did well. Congrats. Third team का time था 3 minutes and 13 seconds. इसकी वजह से वो eliminate हो गए. जो eliminate हो गए हैं उनको cash vouchers मिलेंगे 2,000 rupees each that they can use in any Dreamworld restaurant. Now, moving on to the next game for the race for the chalet is pool. So the third game is pool, and the rules are very simple. All 4 of the players have to pocket the 8th ball, just that one ball. लेकिन there's a bit of a trick here. आप में से जो 2 सबसे कम टाइम में पॉकेट कर लेगा, they will advance to the final game. और जब एक प्लेयर खेल रहा होगा तो बाकी 3 के पास एक चांस है to use these paper cups. आप कहीं भी रख सकते हैं ताकि उनकी गेम थोड़ी और ट्रिकी कर दे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप खेल रहे हैं तो आप 3 कहीं भी ऐसी जगह लगाते हैं कि आपको लगे इनका चांस और मुश्किल हो जाए, उनको और ज़्यादा टाइम लगे. सो एक दूसरे की बारी आपने और डिले करनी है, सो यू हैव अ हायर चांस. इज दैट क्लियर? अगर जब आपकी बारी चल रही है और आपने कप को टच कर दिया तो 15 सेकंड की पेनल्टी. अगर किसी तरह अगर आप ज़्यादा बॉइल्ड हो गए और एक कप आपने उड़ा के बाहर फेंक दिया तो दैट्स 30 सेकंड्स. और अगर क्यू बॉल भी अंदर चली गई सो दैट्स अनदर 30 सेकंड्स. वेरी सिंपल, हाँ? आर यू रेडी? ओके, लेट्स गो. सो नंबर 3 से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. राइट बिफोर दैट यू गाइज गेट योर कप्स. जहाँ भी रखने हैं, हैव फन. अलायंस बनानी है नहीं बनानी है, डू एज यू प्लीज. This is about to be interesting. Oh, that's 15 seconds of penalty. Ooh. Come on, bro. सोच समझ के. Oh, 30 seconds की penalty है, but that's pretty अच्छा जा रहा है. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so number 8 is in queue. Have fun. चलो, अच्छा वही टैक्टिक यूज कर रहे हैं. वाह भाई. गो. ओके, स्मूथ स्टार्ट, क्लीन. 15 seconds. Okay, but chalo, you have an opening. Sacrifice, but chalo. Oh, not really. It's like 30 seconds के penalty, but it's okay. You have a chance. Come on, bro. 30 seconds की penalty. 45 seconds की penalty हो गई है, but you have a big opening. 60 seconds of penalty. 75. Why? बहुत अच्छे players हैं. Let's go. We have. Do you give up your spot? No, okay. So number 8 had a really hard time, but it was kind of also karma because उन्होंने भी अपने previous competitor के साथ ये किया था. We're on to number 10. He's about to start. Number 8 did a good job. He had fun, but again, this game is really hard when you know add up some difficulties. So your cups for karma. चले. Okay, strategic हो रही है. देख रहे हैं आपके खिलाफ क्या क्या हो रहा है, bro. इतने seconds पे आप बढ़ा सकते थे. 3, 2, 1. Not repeat what number 8 did. 15 seconds. All right. Either he's cooking something or I don't know. Okay, smart. 30 seconds, okay. 15. Is he about to cook? Not yet, but I think the cooking is happening. 45 seconds का penalty, but it's way closer now. Oh, cool, good. Number 11, the final player for this game is about to cue your cups for karma. Man, this game is interesting. Imagine the mental pressure this game gave that number 8 had to quit midway. But it's okay, it's interesting at least. Number 10 had a good strategy. He had a couple penalties, but number 10 played well. The cups are ready. The cups of karma are ready. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Why would you do that to yourself? 45 seconds of penalty. Bro, chill. Oh no. That's not the opening I was talking about. Touch you, do touch you, the 15-15. 120 seconds of penalty right now. Bro, you have a very good opening. 135. 165 right now. He's risking it all and he got it. After 165 seconds of penalty, but he got it eventually. Now let's round up the final numbers minus number 8 because obviously he had to forfeit. So let's see the 3 contestants and their numbers and see who will go to the final. These are our players and these are their scores and the winners are number 3 and number 10. Congratulations. अब हम आ गए आखिरी गेम पे. This is the last game और आप दोनों में से जो भी ये गेम जीतेगा, they will win a complimentary one night stay plus breakfast at one of the chalets at Dream World. अगर आप भी इस जैसी गेम्स में पार्ट लेना चाहते हैं तो Dream World के मेंबर बने. So, are you guys ready for the final game? Yes. Okay, जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि आप दोनों के पास 2 boxes हैं. खोल के देखेंगे इसमें क्या है? Well, there's a red cross and a green check. Game ये है कि you will only win when either one of you has 2 green checks. अगर आपके पास 2 green checks आ गए, आपके पास आ गए तो आप जीत जाएंगे. Opponent के पास अगर जाहिर सी बात है फिर क्योंकि there's only 2 of them, तो आपके पास अगर red cross आ गए so you're eliminated. Clear? लेकिन that's not it. आप लोग इसको properly खेल सकते हैं. आप एक दूसरे को झूठ बोल सकते हैं. You can tell the truth. आप deceive कर सकते हैं, आप bluff कर सकते हैं. माइंड गेम्स खेल सकते हैं, ट्रिक्स यूज कर सकते हैं. थिंक ऑफ इट एज एनी अदर गेम, लेकिन आपको किसी ना किसी तरह जीतना है. कैन लाई, टेल द ट्रूथ, डिसीव और बी सिंसियर. द चॉइस इज अप टू द बोथ ऑफ यू. आर यू गाइस रेडी? द कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर? Ready to win one of the chalets in Dream World? Yes. So, पहले आपकी बारी है. You will turn around and you will shuffle. You have a few seconds. जैसे भी आपको shuffle करना है, deceive or whatever. फिर आप जब turn around करेंगे, आप मुड़ेंगे. You will do your shuffling thing. उसके बाद फिर आप दोनों ने mental game एक दूसरे के साथ खेलनी है, लेकिन trade जरूर करना है. So, turn around. Let's go. Done? Okay. आपकी बारी. Number 3. Now, turn around. Okay, turn around. चले अब आप डिसाइड करें कौन सा किसको ट्रेड करना है.
ये वाला बॉक्स मुझे चाहिए.
इसके अंदर ही check.
कंफर्म?
अब ये तुम्हारे ऊपर है, तुम लो नहीं लो. चेक है इसके अंदर.
ओके.
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे तो ब्लैक बोलने का हुआ.
ठीक है.
नहीं, आपको कौन सा डब्बा ट्रेड करना है?
मैं ये वाला.
ओके, तो ये आप दोनों ट्रेड करें.
नहीं दे रहा.
ओह हाँ,
तुम चेंज कर सकते हो ना, अभी भी चेंज टाइम.
think. It's all a mental game.
ये वाला चाहिए. ये वाला चाहिए.
And unbox. Oh, okay, let's get cross it. Okay, we're gonna do another round. This was a draw, a standstill. दोनों के पास cross और check थे, so it's a standstill. We're gonna go for round 2 now. Done? Okay, number 10 is shuffle curly. Number 3, your turn. Turn around. All right. Okay, turn around. चले अब आप लोग ट्रेड करें. कौन सा ट्रेड करना है किसको?
ये वाला बॉक्स चाहिए.
ये वाला बॉक्स.
ये वाला बॉक्स.
Okay, let the trading begin. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, unbox. Oh, And number 10 wins. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. That was a good game. आप दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा खेला है. And again, congratulations for making it for the final round. So the one that got eliminated, number 3, he's going to win a 4,000 rupees cash voucher that he can use in any restaurant at Dreamworld. And number 10, you win the complimentary one-night stay plus breakfast in one of the chalets at Dreamworld. ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.